Hello, my dear customer. How are you? Welcome to my studio. Today, I just want to introduce our hot sale tab, the Carbide Rotary Burrs. And first, I would like to introduce one by one. Please have a look at this. This one is the A shape. The size is 1625 M06. Please have a look. The second is the B shape. Please have a look. This is also the 4025. This one is the C shape, 8025, also M06. This one, like the ball, right? This one is the D shape. This one is the E shape. Please have a look. It's like the oval shape. This one is the F shape. Please have a look. You can see this is kind of like the umbrella shape. This one is the G shape. Please have a look. This one is the H shape. Please have a look. This one is the J shape, and also the L shape, and also the M shape. So we still have other shapes. So please have a look at this. This patch is also the Carbide Rotary Burrs our customer ordered for the quantity. So if you're also looking for the Carbide Rotary Burrs, please feel free to contact us. Thank you.